If you're wondering how to export a list of subscribers from EverWebinar directly to your Mac, you're in the right place. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to take to get that list saved on your computer in just a few minutes. First, let's start with the basics. EverWebinar offers a variety of ways to track your subscribers, but when it comes to exporting your list, it's important to know where to start. You'll need to head to the Subscribers section on your EverWebinar dashboard. This is where you can view all of your subscribers, whether they registered for an upcoming webinar or watched a past one. Next thing you'll want to do is locate the Export button. This is usually found near the top right corner of your subscriber list. Clicking this button will prompt a drop-down with options for how you want to export your data. For our purposes, you'll want to select Export to CSV. This is the most common format for data exports, and it's easy to open on your Mac using software like Excel or Google Sheets. Once you select CSV, EverWebinar will begin preparing the file for download. This could take a few moments depending on the size of your list. But don't worry, the platform will notify you when it's ready for download. The fourth thing to note is where your file will go once it's ready. If you're using Google Chrome or Safari, the file should automatically save to your default downloads folder. From there, you can move the file wherever you need on your Mac. You can also open it immediately if you want to start working with it right away. Now, here's a little tip to keep in mind. Sometimes you may want to filter out certain subscribers before exporting. EverWebinar allows you to apply filters to your list based on various criteria, like registration date or attendance status. This can help you focus on exactly what you need, making your export even more efficient. Finally, let's talk about one last trick.
EverWebinar gives you the option to schedule regular exports, so you don't have to manually repeat this process every time you need an updated list. This can be really helpful for marketing automation and keeping track of your subscribers in real time. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to export a list of subscribers from EverWebinar straight to your Mac. It's quick, easy, and a perfect way to keep track of your audience. Before you go, I've got a special
Offer for you. If you're looking to dive deeper into EverWebinar, you can start using the software completely free through the link in the description below. You'll even get exclusive bonuses to help you make the most out of your free trial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that extended free trial through the link below.